mixing of acid and base. Now when your acid is added to the base, acid plus base gives rise to salt plus water. This is going to be a neutralization reaction. We call this reaction as neutralization reaction. So if I am taking a neutralization reaction, there are two types of neutralization. Case 1, if it undergoes complete neutralization, if the reaction undergoes complete neutralization, that means if you have taken an acid whose normality is N1, whose volume is V1, if you have taken a base whose normality is N2 and volume is V2, or let us assume a small change in this. If I say Na Va, or if I am taking Nb Vb is the volume of the base, then what is the condition? If it undergoes complete neutralization, the number of equivalents of acid will be equals to number of equivalents of base. So this will be the condition. So that means normality into volume of an acid should be equals to normality into volume of a base. This is the condition for complete neutralization. If acid is undergoing complete neutralization with base, then the resultant formula that can be framed is number of equivalents of acid is equals to number of equivalents of base. Na into Va is equals to Nb into Vb. Case 2, partial neutralization. If it undergoes partial neutralization, what will happen if it undergoes partial neutralization? What do you mean by this? Either number of equivalents of acid will be greater than base, or base will be greater than acid. These are the two cases that can be possible. Either base exceeds the acid or acid exceeds the base. Equivalence of acid greater than equivalence of base, or equivalence of base greater than equivalence of acid. In such case, how do we find the resultant normality of the solution? So let us take the case 1 now. In the case 1, if I say acid concentration is greater than the base concentration, the resultant number of equivalents of acid greater than base. If I take this case, the resultant normality of the solution is given by NaVa minus NbVb by Va plus Vb. This is going to be the formula when acid equivalence, number of equivalents of acid is greater than number of equivalents of base, and the resultant normality represents concentration of H plus ion. This represents concentration of H plus ions. Similarly, if I take case 2, if base is greater than acid, in case base is greater than acid, then in that case resultant normality is equals to NbVb minus NaVa by Va plus Vb. This is the resultant formula where the concentration, this represents concentration of OH minus ion, and the resultant solution will be basic in nature. Here the resultant solution will be acidic in nature. So this is the conclusions which we can take. So if acid exceeding base, then NaVa minus NbVb by Va plus Vb. If base exceeds the acid, then NbVb minus NaVa by Va plus Vb. This is the formula to determine the resultant normality of the solution when it undergoes partial neutralization.